Now let's run. Okay. Okay, gas. Some gas. Okay, gas. We already got weapon key. Where's the weapon key? Yeah, ourselves a shotgun. Do this, Grandpa. Hopefully, if I could get. Oh boy. Welcome back to another episode. We're gonna do Granny 2 Boat Escape in Nightmare Mode. And also, as with the usuals, when we do play Slendrina, we're gonna do this on hard. Okay, now we got ourselves, I think, 3 items. No. 5 items. We need 5 items in order to escape by boat. The padlock key, the boat key, the boat steering wheel, spark plug, and gas. Iron Maiden, don't fail me. Grandpa, there you are, Grandpa. Okay, you're coming, Granny. So we gotta head up to the kitchen. Okay, Granny, please don't come here. Now let's run. Okay. Okay, gas. Found ourselves some gas. Okay, gas. We already crossed gas off the list. We need the spark plug. Okay, we got ourselves the weapon key. Where's the weapon key? Yeah, ourselves a shotgun. Do this, Grandpa. Iron Maiden, don't fail me, Iron Maiden. Okay, Grandpa, there you are. And Granny, there you are. Okay, get it, Grandpa. Say we cannot hide. Oh no. Okay, we gotta open this. Okay. Gotta hurry before Granny respawns. Before a minute has passed. I'm thinking that our minute has passed. We're gonna need access to this area. Now they have respawns for sure. Yes, no respawns. Okay, we need to get ourselves our shotgun, and boom, we're back in business. Okay. Now. Okay, Granny's now on the tail. Now let's see if we're not surprised by Grandpa. Oh my god, Grandpa decided to surprise me as well. Well, that's funny. Okay, Iron Maiden, don't fail me. Okay. Now we gotta get our shotgun. That's where Grandpa surprised me. The shooting mini game. That's why the sun. Okay, this is the area we're gonna go if we're gonna escape by helicopter. But let's load this baby up. Boat steering wheel. Okay, no. Okay, now we've gotten over here, and now we gotta get Granny to come. Because of the noise, Granny will come for sure. And we need Grandpa to come. Because he can hear shotgun. Okay, he's at bed sleeping. Okay, no, why did I decide to drop this thing? Okay, we're still on the clock and we still need a minute. Let's hurry before Granny respawns. Okay, now we could get our tears in action. Okay, if you're going to be escaping by main door or by boat, one thing I recommend to you, if you have more depending on your spawning locations, if you have more access to the weapon key and you got it first, okay, don't do the shitty mini game. Okay, if you're going to escape by helicopter, where's I brought the pliers in here. Oh yes, there the pliers are. And then Nosferatu's body. We got ourselves the padlock key. Okay, we shot Granny. Now Grandpa, he's gonna come because because this part's gonna make noise. Okay, then I'm not gonna go back up there to reload the shotgun. Okay, we're on the clock and I think our minutes of Granny gone. The steering wheel, we do have the steering wheel. Okay. The padlock key, we also have the padlock key. The boat key. Now Granny has respawned. Now let's find out where Grandpa is. Okay, Grandpa. Okay, we're gonna be getting our items down here. Okay, spark plug. Okay, 30 seconds have passed. Let's load this shotgun up. Okay, shotgun ammo is not renewable. Okay, and I think usually shotgun ammo is renewable. Okay, we get Granny up here. Okay, shot. Fire, hope. Okay, hopefully if we could get ourselves gas. Spark plug. Steering wheel. Gas. Okay, we're almost set. We just need to raise the bars. And now our minute of the grandparents is almost up. Well, it's already up. Okay, now we just need Iron Maiden, please don't fail me. What? The grandparents knew about my plan? What? Hopefully if I could get... Oh boy. Oh boy. The grandparents knocked me out and I'm almost about to lose. Now let's do everything that counts. And Iron Maiden, please don't fail me. Just for extra safety. Maybe I was a bit too close. That's how the grandparents were able to spot me. Okay, there goes Grandpa. And Granny doing her And let's not die. Try not to die because okay, I'm gonna go using a safe. Okay, do I have something? Nope. Oh yes, duct tape. Hey Granny. Okay, Grandpa. Okay, Grandpa was asleep. Let's try not to have him kill us. Okay, we only got 1 minute on the clock. Okay, before grandparents respawn. Okay, we are almost about to do it. Okay, we just need the boat key, and we're out of here. Okay, there. We did it. Okay. Yes, we escaped Granny with the boat. The end. If you liked this episode, like it. If you love it, share it with a friend or a family member. And not last, if you want to be a part of the organization, hit that little subscribe button down below and hit the notifications so you don't miss out on anything. And I reached 13 subscribers. Thank you. It took all that long to get 13 subscribers, even though that's not a decent, but I think 13's lucky. Okay, but I'm actually at 14. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. All I guys have for you today, but I don't know if I can make it to the next one without your help. Give me strength.